Welcome to my project bazaar. So the title is Energy Efficient Group Key Agreement for Wireless Network. The abstract is advanced in lattice based cryptography are enabling the use of public key algorithms by PKIs in a power constrained and ad hoc network and essential network devices. Unfortunately, while many wireless networks are dominated by group communication, PKIs are inherently unique, as that is public-private key pairs are generated by data destinations. To fully realize public key cryptography in these networks, lightweight PKIs should be augmented with energy efficient mechanisms for a group key agreement. We consider a setting where master keys are uploaded on clients according to an arbitrary distribution. We present a protocol that uses session keys derived from those master keys to establish a group key that is information theoretically secure. The flow diagram of this project is starting the initial key generator, creating the individual key creation, and distributing those keys to the users. After that, the user can communicate with the neighbor users. After group creation only, the network can communicate with other networks, so that is other users. Before that, the user can communicate with the neighbor user only. So after that, they are creating the group key for the users. After distributing the group key, data transferring to the all users. Okay, let's test the demo of this project. First, right click the initial key generator. Next run the all clients, which is the network. Next, continuously so I open the user 1, user 2, user 3, 4, 5 and 6 also. So here is the communicator. The network is created. For those users, we should create a key for data transferring. First generate the user first to 4. So these are this is one network and this is one network. This in this two network, the user 4 is common for the both network. So generating those network and distribute those network to the users. So after distributing the key, receive those keys. So here user 1 in this network 2, 3, 4 are there. So likewise, user 1, user 3, user 4, user 3 have user 1, user 2, user 4, and user 4 has a both networks. So it has a both receivers. So user 1, user 2, user 3, user 5 and user 6, user 7. Next, user 5. So user 5 has the 4 6 7. So user 6 have 5 6 4. User 7 has a user 4, user 5, user 7. So we can communicate with these users. If we want to communicate with the user 1 with the other networks, then we should share the group key for all users. That user group key is created by the user 4. So because it is the common user for the all users, all network. So first we can communicate with the user 1 with user 2. So you can easily communicate with the browse file here. So after this, get any files to configure. So I'm open this text file. So this file is sent into the user 2. I'm sending. So it is received by the user 2. After this, I can communicate with the user 3, user 4 like this. So in the second network, you can communicate with the second network. So we browse here so I'm taking so send to the I'm sending to the user 7. So it is sent to the user 7. If we want to communicate with the other users, so we should create a group key for that. For group key, we are going to the user 4 because that is the common user. So creating group key. So after creating, distribute those keys to the other network. So I'm going to distribute those networks. So here can receive the group key. After receiving the group key, here we are communicating with the other network, the other user also. So we can communicate here. So I will give the receiver 2 also get the group key. So here we can communicate with the 7th user also. So I'm sending on file. So send to the 7. That's all. Thank you.